Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really cool video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Squid Industries Squiddy. So this took about 5 days to come in. It was late, so due to current activities, I can perfectly understand that. This was shipped with USPS, standard shipping. Standard shipping. It's supposed to come in 3 days, but actually took 5. It arrived this morning. Anyway, enough of that. This is probably one of the best budget trainers that I've seen and heard about. I've seen reviews about it. People say it's really nice. This sticker came in the package. It's like an envelope. I've seen reviews and it was actually inside the box, but apparently it's not. But it just has a little squid flipping the trainer, a bunch of trainers. Pretty cool sticker. Definitely gonna be keeping this. Here's the box. This does look like a different box than videos, but it looks like a Triton box, like the box you would get for a Triton, more higher class box, but I'm fine with that. It looks pretty cool. But it's just Squiddy on it, so I know the Squiddy's gonna be in there, so just open it. So inside you have the trainer wrapped in foam, an extra Squid Industries sticker, pretty nice addition, and a business card. I don't know what model that is, I'm sorry. Don't really pay attention to the models. Here you can, some sites where you can contact them. Some maintenance tips and warranty. You can pause and read that. Sorry if I can't get that in frame. Pretty cool stuff, and foam at the bottom. But the box we're in, I've seen reviews, people had boxes that were just like cardboard. It's the same type of cardboard, but it doesn't seem as high quality, but I'm not gonna complain about that. It's just a box. Anyway, here's the trainer wrapped in foam. Here it is. I believe it weighs around 2 ounces or 3 ounces. I don't know. I think 2 ounces. It's about the same weight as a flip fins. I've had one, but I've lost it a long time ago. It does not have a sticker, weirdly. It's supposed to have like a sticker on there, but mine didn't come with one. Here it is. It's pretty smooth. The clacking reminds me of a Lego Battle song. I've known that because I've had a Lego Battle song. It's a pretty cool knife. Channel design. I don't have any Battle song to compare it to because they're all downstairs, but it's channel design. So here's all filled in. It's made out of PVCC. So it's a lightweight material. This thing is very light. When they say light, they mean light. Zen pin construction. So, and unlike tang pins actually go through the blade itself and make contact with the handles. But Zen pins, the pins are in the handle and make contact with the blade. So like in this area and the nipple up here. Now, obviously, they're going to have to wear down over time. The handle gap will get smaller and smaller and smaller. But PVCC is a more durable, dense version of regular PVC pipe. I mean, it's not bad. Now, if you're wondering why you pay $40 for 3 pieces of PVC, now, you basically won't understand that if you're not in the art of flipping like I am. But like, you know how you get an old car, like a really old car from, let's say, the 80s, and they sell for millions, and you don't get that. It's confusing, isn't it? So that's the art of sports cars and luxury cars. This is the art of flipping. Here's the play on this handle. Barely any, as expected from a high-quality knife. This knife cost around $42, but it costed me $50 for shipping and everything. We have little weights in the back here. To add momentum. They do add some momentum, not a significant weight, as I expected, but this handle's a bit stiff. This one, see, tolerances, kind of stops like that. Stops sudden, unlike this one. Actually, I think both of them are a bit stiff, so I have to break them in I don't feel like loosening them now because they do come loctited. Hardware in here. I've had these strip paint off over time. There's blade tap. So there is some blade tap. Because that means the blade will make contact with the inside of the handles and rub. You can hear that. There's a little squid face, very iconic squid face. That is also present on the Squiddy C and G and B, their newest edition. This is the most affordable product on squidindustries.com that you can find, unless they come out with another trainer. But overall, it's a really nice product. It's kind of has a half matte finish, where when you look at it in one direction, it's matte, but when you look at a different direction, it's super glossy and shiny. I've heard this is a really good beater battle song. The problem I have with it is that there's no, it's hard to find a difference between safe and bite handle. So it's hard to tell because there's no latch or anything. The only way to tell is if you look up in the pivots and see those are where the Torx would go in. So this would be the safe handle right here. I don't know why it didn't come with a sticker. It's kind of unfortunate. Really nice knife. One complaint I have is that you can see where it's been printed or milled. You can kind of see some lines. I don't know if that's picking up on camera. It's definitely not, but it runs on bronze phosphorus washers. And it's just very bouncy. It does flex because it's PVC. And I've heard over time that up here in the Zen pin area, it gets cracked and brittle. Which is kind of unfortunate, but what can you say? It's a $40 battle song. $40. Really cool knife. I just love the overall look. Love it. Here's my new EDC. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.